Hey, if you like the idea of health and wealth, you need to take the Live Good tour. Find out how me and thousands of others are making a monthly income with Live Good. Click the link in the description to take the 5-minute Live Good tour right after watching this video. Hey, welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm about to see how many push-ups I can do in a row. Alright, now I'm at the end of a chest and back workout. So, you know, I've been working out, but it's all good. I'm gonna push and see how many I can do. Maybe I'll do another one where I'm more fresh. So I'm about to put my music on and get to it. Comment below if you want to hear what song I'm listening to while doing these push-ups. And one more thing, I'm gonna be using push-up handles while I'm doing these. And I might actually do some videos in the future doing different variations of push-ups and see how many I can do. But let's get to it. Alright, I lost track of count. I think it was like 40 something, right? My shoulders started bothering me a little bit, but I'm gonna keep doing these, see if I can beat that number. But I'll put the total, the actual total, somewhere right here or something. You'll see how many it actually was, alright? So comment below, let me know how many push-ups you can do in a row. Be sure to subscribe and I will see you in the next video.